one of the things that I always love about Meraki, and I guess it's really networking as a whole. There's a lot of use cases that people don't immediately think of. Love to hear from you some of the cool things that you've seen or done firsthand that aren't just traditional packet flowing. Hey, I have connectivity, I'm up. That sort of something beyond that.
Yeah. I mean, my favorite story to tell right now, and again, this is something that's like not obvious, right? If you onboard a Catalyst switch into the Meraki dashboard, the part that you may not be realizing is how cool the APIs are to now start tying in monitoring into your existing tools. So you look at things like Splunk, things like ServiceNow, you look at things like even like alerting tools like PagerDuty.
Mm-hmm.
These all work off of like modern web frameworks, right?
Yeah.
Like so all these systems can talk to each other, all of them have APIs, right? So what I'm telling customers is like, listen, your Catalyst stuff, not only can I get it connected to a cloud system so that you can log into a dashboard and you can see all the status and like you can do some troubleshooting here from a GUI, even from your mobile phone. Telling someone I could log in and like run a ping test on my Catalyst switch from an app on my phone, that's like telling someone that they can remote start their car in 1990, right? Like it's like they're
Yeah.
like, wait, what? It doesn't correlate. I can now take the Meraki API endpoints and I can connect that into systems like PagerDuty, ServiceNow, Microsoft Teams, WebEx Teams. Like where you want alerts to go, there's now webhooks that support it. We have pre-built ServiceNow integrations that can automate ticket generation if a device goes offline. Splunk has an API connector into the Meraki dashboard. Even those tools like SolarWinds have an API connector into the Meraki dashboard. Dynatrace has an API connector into the Meraki dashboard. So I've just taken your like on-prem Catalyst box and not only cloud connected it, but just web connected it
Yeah.
from
Yeah.
from a data perspective. And so when I start telling customers that, there's way more value in that than there is in can see the status in the Meraki dashboard, right? So just talking about Meraki dashboard, when you talk about, you're burying the lead of like how transformational this could be to like your day two support operations. So, I think that's one of the coolest things that we're doing right now, and it's so hidden beneath the surface of how that gets connected that I think a lot of people aren't realizing it.
I think that makes a ton of sense. I can't even remember the last time that I logged in to the web dashboard on a laptop. I just do everything from my phone, right?
Yeah.
If somebody hasn't been experiencing that because they're, on Catalyst, they're used to CLI, whatever. I can't imagine, like you said, the mindset change that happens when all of a sudden like, wait, what? I can get that on my phone,
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely.